What is up, you guys? It is me, your favorite girl, Stephanie Chanel, and welcome back to my channel. So I know you guys can see my little Christmas tree here. I was just trying to get into the mood. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys a few ideas on gifts that you can give to your loved ones, your friends, your coworkers, um, anybody that you want to give a gift to. There is one thing that I didn't bring in here, and that is candles, y'all. So let's just go ahead and get that out of the way. Candles. Candles are pretty much the best gift that you can give, especially when you don't know a person too much. When you don't really know what they're into, you don't know if they're sensitive to fragrance, if they have any skin irritations or what. A candle is the best way to go. I feel like you can't go wrong because even if they don't really like the candle, at least it's not something that they're just kind of stuck with, like body care or something like that. Um, because it's a candle. And I've come across, like, they might not like the scent, but I haven't really found anybody that's like allergic to a candle or like something like that. So candles are like A1, they are top notch, top tier, and there's so many candle sales happening right now. So you can for sure buy some candles really inexpensive. You can make a basket if you want to, but candles are top tier. So moving on from that, let's talk about gift sets. Now, I have kind of an undone one, and yes, this is ran through, but you can buy little sets for people that are into fragrance. Um, Little sets that you can get from Bath and Body Works. You can get little perfume sets from drugstores, like little what do you call them, celebrity fragrance gift sets. That's perfect for kids. I like to do that for my kids, for the cousins, things of that nature, because they're just super cute, super compact. They're not doing too much, but you can get really nice brand name ones, for really, really inexpensive. You can get celebrity, you can get designer, and you can get these gift sets for like under 30 bucks most of the time, especially around Christmas time. So those are really good for like kids, middle school to adulthood, really. But I like giving gift sets like these with the body mist and a lotion or a cream and then a body wash. Or you can do like the aromatherapy line. Bath and Body Works is definitely my go-to when it comes to little gift sets because I shop there so often. I'm able to pick up so many different scents in so many different ways. And if you shop year round, there are so many sales that you can catch where you can just make a big old, I guess, like overflow or stash so that when the holidays come around, you bag these babies up and you gift them out. Gift baskets and gift sets are for sure a great way to go, you guys. This one is my favorite, and they didn't bring this back this year, so I'm upset. But yeah, little gift sets are super, super, super good. An easy way to go. The next thing that I would say are soaps. Now, I know it sounds crazy, right? And it's funny, as I'm filming this, I'm getting a $9.95 candle day from Goose Creek. That's hilarious. So yeah, bar soaps. So I wouldn't necessarily say like Irish Spring and Dove, although you could do that. But little specialty soaps like this. This one is from Goddess of the Sea Beauty. This is their caramel butterscotch. But I just love how they have the little decorations and stuff like that. You can totally gift soaps, you guys. I love things like that. And they're super inexpensive. You can buy a few of them, create your own little basket. And when I say basket, it doesn't have to be a huge basket. You can make a little gift bag, stuff it with some tissue paper and some little confetti, and then throw a couple of soaps, body washes, loofahs, um, bath bombs, just little things like that. Makes a really simple, really cute, very just thought out. So yeah, you can definitely curate your own little basket of soaps. People do appreciate soaps. These are super cute. And if they don't want to use them on their body to like wash up with, they can put these in the bathroom, like a guest room or a guest bathroom, as a hand soap, whatever it is that they want to use it for. But at the end of the day, you did your part, right? And these are so amazing. So I highly recommend Goddess of the Sea Beauty. Their products are super duper amazing, you guys. And if you want to shop Goddess of the Sea Beauty, then use the code that I'm going to drop right down here to get a few off of your order. You'll also be helping out my friend who is also here on YouTube. Her name is Lauren, aka Loso Natural, here on YouTube. And you'd be helping her out greatly. And it's the holiday season. So just click those links, y'all. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about is just simply perfume. Uh, this one in particular is Monger Lawn, but you can buy you can buy designer fragrances around this time to gift out, and they're super affordable. Monger Lawn is one that I would highly recommend for a woman in your life. I wouldn't give this to a young girl, I wouldn't give it to a teenager, but a woman in your life, your mom, your aunt, your sister. This is definitely for a more womanly, motherly, wifely young lady, in my opinion. This is very, very beautiful. This is lavender, this is vanilla, but it doesn't necessarily have to be this one. But I'm just showing that you can find really, really beautiful name or beautiful houses for perfumes, especially from Macy's around this time. They have a ton of sales. I picked this one up for about $40. There's a lot of third-party sites that you can also shop on. You don't have to wait for Macy's to have a deal. You can check Joma Shop, Fragrance Net, Fragrance by CA. A lot of different places that you can check out for perfume deals, and you can get really nice names and really good quality fragrances for the low low. Next, if you don't want to splurge on a fragrance like a perfume, if you don't want to spend all of that money on a perfume, you can't really be bothered with finding the deals and all this whatever, you can do a perfume oil. Now I'm going to show you two different versions of a perfume oil. First, you can buy a perfume oil that looks like this, right? Let's see. Right now, I picked this one up. I'll link the company down below. I picked this one up. This was about $32, and this is either 2 or 4 fluid ounces of perfume oil. I think this is 2 fluid ounces of perfume oil. If you know a fragrance that the person loves, but you just can't seem to afford it, you guys find it in a perfume oil. Whew. If it's a discontinued scent, or if you just can't afford the bottle of fragrance, try a perfume oil. A lot of people love perfume oils. You can't go wrong. They're strong, they smell amazing, they last long. You can use them in so many different ways. So, a perfume oil is a really nice way to gift someone a fragrance that they love, just in a more economically pleasing way. With everything that's going on, splurging on a fragrance might not be something that is doable every time. And a fragrance oil is super affordable, you guys. You don't have to get a big one like this. They come in roller balls. You can find so many good ones. I have dropped so many videos of different oil companies that I have used over the time, and you can find some really good ones. I will link a few of them down below. So yeah, a fragrance oil is definitely a way to go. Now, if you don't necessarily want to gift them something that looks like this, you can have fun with it, okay? Now, you can give them something that looks like this. This way, I really love to do it. So for me, I like to purchase oils like this in bigger bulks, just like this, right? And then I like to buy these cute little bottles. I get mine off of Temu, y'all. Temu is super affordable. Just look at the detail on this. It's so beautiful. Look at that. That is so gorgeous, isn't it? And then look at the base. Like, come on. It has little cute detailing around the rim. I completely love Temu for these kind of bottles. I think I paid $5 or $4 or $5 for this little bottle. And so you can make so many little bottles of this. So this is like, I think, a 5 ounce. This is a 10 ml little ball. It's either 5 or 10 ml. I think this is 10 mls. And excuse me. And you can just add your perfume oil into this, tighten it up, and you can give them so many of these. This is so fancy. It comes with the little dabber on it, and it is just so fancy, you guys. So those are the perfume oils. And then this way, I love this one. Like, this is the last one that I have to show you guys. And this idea is so amazing. It's super cost effective, and who wouldn't love to get this? So the one that I'm going to show you, I did purchase from Goddess of the Sea Beauty. This is the cranberry coconut body oil. So here we are, right? The body oil, and it has the little herbs at the bottom. Like, oh my goodness. Do you not love that? I love that. That is so aesthetically pleasing. Like, I just love these oils with the little herbs in them. I feel like they're beneficial, right? I feel like they're beneficial, but even if they weren't, they're just super pleasant to look at. I love this. And I mean, if you got a package with a body oil in it, wouldn't you love that? I know I would. So with this one, the reason why I'm showing you body oil, yes, you can purchase them for people, but you can also create your own. Find a fragrance that you love, and then you can make your own body oils. And all you have to do is use a mixture of oils that you love, making sure that the person is not allergic to any of them. My personal favorites are sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, and extra virgin olive oil. Those are my mixtures. I love to use them. And then you would buy a fragrance oil, very similar to something like this, and you would just pour some into your oil mixture, like your carrier oil mixture, and shake it up. And there you have a body oil. And if you wanted to make it look very aesthetically pleasing, you can buy dried flowers from just about anywhere. To be honest, I personally get mine off of Temu. Temu is the GOAT. Okay. I love Temu. I buy all these little things to just make the presentation that much better. It's all about being creative, right? And we all know that Christmas is not really about the gifts and all of that, but how fun is it to give gifts to those that you love, care about, work with? I just think that it's fun. I love gift giving. It is just, it's a highlight of my life. I am just naturally a giver. So, giving is a love language for me. I love to give. I love to give. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys enjoyed the new intro. This is my vlogmas intro for now. I love you guys. Happy holidays, and I will see you tomorrow.